Good morning, students. So, in today's class, you will be continuing chapter 4. I am assuming that you have completed 4.1 and 4.2, and some of you guys are still having errors in calculator. I'll be there on campus sometime very soon, and then I'll help you out in figuring out what the errors are. But now we are going to start 4.3. So, I want you guys to take down the title as 4.3 libraries. So the word library is quite often used in Python. A library is nothing but a collection of related modules. A library, please take this down. Let me make this bigger. A library, you need to write this in the document that you have created in the past. So you need to continue writing in the document. So I'll be able to grade this. A library is a collection of related modules. It contains a bundle of code that can be used repeatedly. So the uses or the advantages of using a library are, the uses of libraries are the first one, it makes the programming very simple. It also makes the code convenient for understanding. We don't have to write the same code every time we program a new project. So there are many libraries in Python. Some of the examples are examples of Python libraries are the one that we are going to use right now is pretty cool, and it is called, hold on, Turtle. We are going to use Turtle for simple graphic design. This is the one that we are going to use, Turtle. And there are other ones like NumPy. If you are making any calculator or anything to do with numbers, then you'll use NumPy. There is PyTorch. There is LightGBM. There is SciPy. And there is TensorFlow. So these are some of the important libraries that you will be learning in the future, but today we are going to completely focus on learning Turtle. Okay, I would change the text color to red and maybe underline this. So Turtle is the one that you're going to use for creating graphic designs. So in today's project, the 4.3, what you're going to do is you're going to create a square and a star by just writing a piece of code. So for that, I want you guys to go to REPL or repelit.com. And once you go to repelit.com, you see that there is an option to create. I want you guys to create a new REPL, and please make, okay, hold on. Yeah, create a new REPL, and this is acting up. Yep. Click on create, and when you create a new REPL, make sure that you're selecting Python with Turtle. You see this? In templates, there is Python with Turtle, and click on this Python with Turtle and give a title named as turtle underscore square underscore your name. Okay, so then create a REPL. You need to select Turtle, Python Turtle. Okay, so you will see that a REPL is created with turtle, square, Kumar, Nemani. So this is how the format must be. So I need to see that it's a turtle project and the name of the project, that is square, and your name. Okay, this is 4.3. So I want you guys to delete all of this, whatever is there, delete it, and then start writing the code again. Okay, so to start writing the code, I would like to start with hash this program. So whenever you click hash, you see that the text is being grayed out. That means this is not a program, this is just a comment. To draw a square using turtle library in Python. Now you're going to, there is a library that is called turtle, and the first thing that you need to do is you need to get that library into your coding platform. So for that, I'm going to write import turtle. Okay, now with this line of code, you are getting the turtle. So you're getting the library turtle. Then I'm going to create a new function called skk equal to turtle right. Now in a square, how many lines are there? There are 4 lines, right? And each angle in a square is 90 degrees. So if I know this information and if I know these properties about a square, we can easily create a square. So for I in range, how many lines are there in a square? 4, right? So I'm going to create 4. For I in range 4, what am I going to do? I'm going to go forward, skk dot forward by 50 units. That is like 5 centimeters, or maybe, yeah, 50 units. And once I go forward for 50 units, I'm going to make a right turn, skk dot right 90 degrees. And then that's it. Turtle is done. Turtle dot done, and close the parentheses. Now I want you guys to notice this. What happens when I click run? When I click run, you see that a small square is being created over here. So let me stop this, and then instead of 50, I'm going to create 150 and then run it again. You see, there's a bigger square. Okay, so this is what I want you to create. So once you create this, okay, once you create this, I want you guys to take a screenshot of this, Command Shift for whatever screenshot is. So take a screenshot with the square, go to your document and enter it over here, and then write, this is 4.3, create a square with turtle library. So this is 4.3. In 4.4, you're going to create a star with turtle library. Okay, please pause the video and then do your code, take a screenshot, put it over here, and then go to the next part. So I'm going to go here and hold on, let me make this visible. Yeah, now I want to go to the new project. For me to go to the new project, you're going to click on these 3 lines, create Python with turtle, and you need to name it turtle underscore star underscore Kumar, whatever your name is, you are going to put it over here and then create a new REPL. And when you create a new REPL, we are going to work on 4.4, where we are going to create a new turtle that is going to create a star. So for that, first I'm going to start with creating a star using Python library turtle. So the line 1 is just a comment, it is not a code. So whenever you are reading this program, you will understand that this code is for creating a star using the library turtle. So I'm going to start with import turtle. Once you import turtle, star is equal to turtle. Right, then star. So how does a star work is, so you have star and the point is going to take a take a directional turn with 75 degrees. Okay, and then star dot forward, let's say put 100 units. Okay, we are going to get a smaller star. For same thing, I in range 4 times, what's going to happen, star dot right, and let it turn for 144 degrees. And then star dot forward 100 units. So that's like 10 centimeters. Turtle dot done. With this we are completing our code. I'm just gonna go here and click enter. So there's a line. So as simple as this. Once you write this code, you click on run and see what happens. So you are creating a star. But now think about it and just change this to 300 and this one also to 300. And let us stop and run the code again and see you're going to create a bigger star. So the star is really big, so it's going down. Okay, so let us change it back to 100 and 100. Stop and then run. We can change the colors of each triangle in the star, so that is something that we are going to do later. And if you want to experiment and see what happens when you enter 10 times, and if you're going for 10 times, and let us see what happens. It's going to draw the same thing 10 times over and over, and then you will still get the same star. So the project is going to have 4, and then zoom it out a little bit, take a screenshot, and then post this screenshot over here. So when you're turning in for the grading purpose, I need to definitely see your name, the project name, and also the title. Okay, everything is important for me to grade it. All right. So this is 4.3 and 4.4. I want you guys to complete this, and in case if you're running into any issues or errors about libraries or Python, do refer this video. But in case if you're still having any questions or any doubts, take a screenshot and send it to me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.